Most people think introverts just hate being around people. Psychology says that's one of the biggest myths. Here are 7 signs you might be an introvert without realizing it. 1. You cancel plans. And instead of guilt, you feel relief. 2. After a conversation, you replay what you said long after everyone else forgot it. 3. Small talk exhausts you. One meaningful conversation could keep you going for hours. 4. You need quiet to think. Too much noise overwhelms your mind fast. 5. You enjoy being with people, but after a while, all you want is to go home. 6. You'd rather have 3 close friends than dozens you barely know. 7. Even after a great day with people you love, you still need time alone to feel like yourself again. Here's the psychology. Introversion isn't about disliking people. It's about where your energy comes from. Extroverts recharge around people. Introverts recharge in solitude. Neither is better. Your brain is just wired differently. Until next time, stay curious.